Hello, boss, in the style of air from the upper floor. Impressive debut, except salary always. Excavators. Lie down a little bit, man. Truck. Oh, when the help is excessive. Millionaire dreams in the 5-star lemon bed. Fragrant is fragrant, but sure to be back. Magic screens disappear the bridge, a bit technical error. Boom! And so, you have to swim across the river. Magician said, huh? Bridge belief made from bamboo toothpicks. I have all. Lesson about physics and recklessness. When you ask farmers to become a high-speed convertible. Results. Supercar into 2 pieces. Too fast, too dangerous. Symphony. Symphony broke the new day. This sound must wake up the industrial park. Free ship moving service from the balcony. Newton's law must be crying. Robot arms with vermicelli. Shrimp sauce. Strange weakness. Install the antenna, but bend. Pregnant tires are about to get in the Labor Day. Warning, coming to the voice. Cranes are doing yoga, or what? Mixing the sky to the sky into the legend. Gravity is gravity. When the sound means this month to eat instant noodles, broken glass, and the driver's heart. Young guy takes on the who can hold the beam longer challenge. Result, the beam wins, he loses, and he freezes in disbelief. Playing peekaboo, Steel Edition. Co-worker said, found it. Now how do we get you out? Introducing GrabLift, the new ride-hailing service that carries you over fences. Super cool, super sore. 5-star rating for the driver. Bulldozer said, don't worry, I got this. Steel Cable said, I quit. Truck said, well, we're done for. When you dream of being Ken Block, but all you've got is a mini excavator and a legendary drift, straight into traffic. The digger found an underground spring higher than a fire hydrant on steroids. Free mud bath for the whole film crew. Ever wonder what it's like to become a permanent statue in concrete? This guy tried it, and probably won't try again. Crane plays Jenga XXL edition. Result, oh no, it's collapsing. Yeah, it's a total mess. The latest invention. A self-driving yard washer meets surfboard. Construction Site Edition. The Nobel Prize in Physics is definitely on standby. Welcome to Self-Destruction 101. Lesson 1, how to saw off the exact branch you're standing on. Gravity is just a suggestion anyway, right? Bamboo scaffolding said, "I can handle concrete, not humans." Instant transformation from fortress to rubble in one epic flop. The ultimate challenge: who can stay on the concrete mixer the longest? Grand prize: a free spinal adjustment. Murphy's Law, tree pulling edition. If it can fall on your teammate, it absolutely will. That's some tight-knit team spirit. Wheelbarrow 2.0, now with the automatic concrete dump feature when overloaded. Everyone's laughing, except payroll. When you cosplay Atlas holding up the world, but it's just an AC unit, and you nearly met your ancestors. Safety first, brought to you by tying a rope to your buddy. Let's just hope he doesn't sneeze. Extreme spinning ride, drill bit edition, brain-twisting experience, literally and figuratively. Making breakfast with a power drill. Genius invention or just a milky mess? Free milk shower in the morning. Who needs a spa anyway? When you trust your buddy to catch the sparks with a bucket and realize it's just for decoration. DIY fireworks show, budget version. Underwater welding, extreme sport for professionals who love danger and maybe a little electric shock. Welder Diver Darwin Award nominee, all in one. Trusting your co-worker more than reinforced concrete? Welcome to the Human Kickstand Challenge. One crack and you're pancake flat. Science experiment. What happens when a tire meets an excavator chain? Answer: one loud splat and a group of dudes laughing way too hard. New method for concrete smoothing, skateboard edition. Fast, fun, and faceplant guaranteed. Creative laziness at its finest. Your boss will definitely give you a raise, or not. When the boss says, "Just dig a little more," right next to the cliff. Is this construction or a suicide mission? My heart's racing for that driver. Master skill. Eyeball measurements and the beautiful disaster that follows. Trying to measure after you're already stuck. Classic move. Guy inside. Hello? Still breathing. Bridge stress test gone wrong. End result: one crumpled road and a driver wondering, "But Google Maps said this was fine." Bridge said, "Nope, I'm out." Industrial kitchen knife? Nope, just slicing bread with the grinder. Ultra-thin slices, plus a touch of iron dust. Crunchy lunch with a metallic twist. Courage test? Broken hunting chair edition. Sit here and your soul hits the floor before your body does. Trees yelling, "Don't lean on me!" Farming 4.0, auto planter and auto sleeper. The dude in purple is living the dream, laying back, watching clouds, getting paid.